The power light on this Ninja blender is blinking and it won't turn on. And if you have that error, as we just discovered, it is because the safety mechanism, which detects that the lid is on, is not activated and therefore is preventing it from spinning, so you don't have stuff flying everywhere or potential danger from the blades. And you'll see at the top of the handle, if I can get this to focus, there is a little kind of circular thing there that you can press in with a screwdriver. And if you hold that down, then the power light goes solid and you can turn it on. So if for some reason, I absolutely don't recommend doing this because it would be dangerous, but if you need to cheat or don't have the lid, you can hold that down with a screwdriver. Don't recommend doing that. But if your lid is on and you're still getting the blinking, it's probably because you either don't have the lid secure or, as we just discovered, we have it rotated wrong. So if we see here, there's arrows lined up, and then when you snap this into place and push the handle down, there's a metal pin on the underside of the handle that's going to push that little button, and then the power light's going to go solid and you can activate it. But depending on which attachment you're using, you might be able to, for example, I can rotate that lid 90 degrees and it still fits, everything snaps down, but the little pin under that handle is not pushing, under this handle is not pushing the button in this handle, and therefore it is still blinking, even though the lid appears to be secure. So again, there's a safety mechanism that actually, if I take this off, you can see there's two switches down here as well, that if you depress one of those, actually just one, you don't have to do both, with a screwdriver, it will make the power light solid. So I guess, I'm not going to turn this upside down because it's full of bread now, maybe there's some mechanism in the handle where you push up here and it transfers all the way down there and pushes on those things or something, so it detects, not just detecting that this is snapped on, but that the lid is snapped on as well. So there you go. I have another video about another little switch inside this thing right here, if you can see that, for when you're using the smaller smoothie attachment. Sometimes this gets stuck and then won't register which attachment it has, so depends on which attachment you're using, but if it's not working or you're getting the weird blinking power light, that is what to look out for.